Mama akwaba wafre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Ghana fo ade hye omo abrochiri no omo kase. Omo abro no abo ato force ni dua. Abro NDC fu dua. Abro NPP fu dua omo eche sa two political parties omo ye ebusuafo wo Ghana ha wo pega na yie. Adanya honorable ato force we o man sika abo man ne kro no abo man ne ka omo de na court wo prosecute na NDC fu no ni wati koku adanya won tiase is a politicians we ni passing yen politician wo Ghana ha be ni passing yen won jail won ko hobi nse jail ni osisi ma yen ordinary citizens no nya sa adan sa insem ye koso wo court back and forth NPP fortune and this fortune na camouflage no mo ye camouflage because ye nim ye ho ye na enuano nya de ye be ko jail tise ye o my Ghana miss nte be ye Ghana ha nte be ye bu ye sure say Ghana be ye ni omo ye be ye and Ghana form wa brochira bumbia say onu abo ato force mama no anko jail dia ene de wode baye no enye yize genti ensem omode atudwa
me baba catch me nua be ma go for the dame say he have to be strong. I was on na ye mistake na first of all me the blame be ma judge na o invite no no bibia nsunya he have to be judge no invite go for the dame man ni ko ni fie na sa nkrofo no be tape no ono na me the blame ni be ma no. Because at the end of the day, bra won't me invite to be in Bawufie. Na mo mesati e ho no de ye nka ne bebre ye be hwe de e be kok but say e bibi sa na Godfred wo right so obetumi asue san crofo no mo ye sa de no so unim sa won't me record obi without the permission obetumi ebe
na kwa me say o mo betumi akoyete we no
Debi o bra she Godfred onyamre sa o onyamre obetumi di omo bisa omo kod 30 tape na omo betumi di akọ Israel baby omo di first one no call ye no omo betumi di akọ hwe se case we so omo person
ani be ba o ani na no mama e ba say ya asem na say I police case how many years
asem we me say obekọ prison atofas because one go prison ye bebo ni dua ma na wu ye di nananom antoa e bebo ni dua ma ani akono di mu nya bebo ni dua ma na wu because what diga na sika Ghana sika.
As
a young man, who got to ambulance their bread, who chrome ama omodia yajuma. Look at the ugly ambulance I will fetch the buyer. Are you normal? Are you normal? Momo so that na musina na kufuado. One no ya panyin so ambulance or on any kind of for buyer. So what you say, you create and look and share. You can't you guys are thief and row. You am robbers. Akasa mudbekutet you because blah. So at the end this for you or man mono. Na me blame mo me blame ye MP snipino omugo no. Yeah, Maya Musa, you scratch my back, I scratch yours for you. Na mama na kufuadu the way or yes and go boom my your man troka my papa na mo troka na mo just because of my post can be a mubenya and as I scratch my back let me scratch your back ni binutino my papa ya mo troka so I said I can't how many months no you should be ashamed of yourself me say Moi me kanya bia that bi na mo ahumi wo sa social media bi mu sa me kasa mo fa mark ba bia ensio nka say wo ni a waye wadwene say wo pese o man nsenke just because of your pocket money no me ka kire wo ya ye owo musuo na wo toko ofie because at the end of the day na brochire for finding it so hard. Say Ghana be ye na bebre omo person omo be fie e ba rest na muto na mo buma ne to can do you think God will forgive you? Do you honestly think that God will forgive you. I don't know. We are abusu force and a mugo manimo. Munja, what's Munja, the moyano. Enough is enough. Yeah, and then me what me call staff kitchen at Brony Bibusam said, Neda be a bucket and now we say, me per politics, pan or so, or ta follow African politics, and African politics there. Or per flashy cars, any other day. Was also. Pra mo prayer mo pray na mo pesa mo ko parliament o okobo ka bi o se V8 o kan na me so se di na mesre o yi ono ayi ne fun yi ayi Africa politics especially Nigeria dey no dey buy o se hwe mo pesa mo bu man ya hwe flashy cars we e better na mo Africa na a bit the poverty mo. You guys should be ashamed of yourself. Mama brofu kro mo abrochire nyina hu mo character aden na mo to mean to chiri woman or market to add na mo to mean to chiri Ghana. Huh? A penny for a day. Nina so come running I NGC for or pretty say papa no crowd the same po. I see a dunkatia. Why no more change say peta what you fruit on tema. Huh, papa? A day and I will take Ghana, sir. Why you who saw so plan? One more man won't turn and the be a would teach you a man every single day. One will party for. Now, may catch the was a medium for say, would to me for Godfred or Damian to true for moon, ever to true from Etna. Plan my planning in an able book come so. At to first he's going to prison. Now, Branami Busao, Kona or Konya, but Jessica and I had not got to man as well the scanning in an echo.
So of course I years in India. I think that it's kind of a shit.
Over 40 years now.
Debbie, so Trias can be a scanner so bit make Triap Mubia. A better in the sentences and so. Now, so when Timmy and Triansua, it depended judge, you know. Obu Obokoba. 1 more years, yeah. Obokoba San Betrias scanner.
Because I was a communist can almost have sentence, no. That is what they need to do. Because that's the kind of I'm going to maybe a Kenya interest. Me busao.
I'm not going to a job at the Sundia. Na Yamani be in fear of him. But so when a job at the end media. Oboko yes number as I'm fear. We also go by and run. Independent day.
Uba see parliament and what be ha when you say apotokura. Na wo tete woman no. Wo be kwa akoshifo. As a young boy, ambulance wakwa tobe bo. Ya de fa Ukraine ye. Ha? Ya de fa banchi Ukraine ye. Bla ma minja mi busa de efu no ho.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, my miss some so and then the aba.